Kitchen. Today I'm putting together the lemon curd from the previous video. This is a super simple recipe that goes together in about 10 minutes. So let's put this lemon curd together. Yes, this lemon curd is only 4 ingredients with a possible 5th. We have a half cup of fresh squeezed lemon juice, and it does need to be fresh squeezed. I also have 6 tablespoons of butter that have been cut into chunks, along with 3 large eggs and a half cup of granulated sugar. The optional 5th ingredient is 2 teaspoons of very finely grated lemon zest. All of this is going into a heavy bottom saucepan. In order not to curdle our eggs, we're going to whisk the eggs and the sugar together first. You can make this lemon curd in a smaller pan, it just takes longer on the stovetop. Whisk in our lemon juice next. Then we'll add in the butter and take this over to the stove. This is over medium-low heat, and we need to whisk continuously. There are several different ways to make lemon curd. This is one of the easiest. Okay, you can see that it has thickened. We're just waiting for a few bubbles just on the top. Okay, that's good. This is going into a bowl with a piece of plastic directly on the surface so it can cool completely in the refrigerator. After that, you can jar it and eat it however you like. I'm getting ready to taste this lemon curd. Now, I'm having it on graham crackers, although it's good on a wide variety of foods. It's nice and cold. It's in a cute little jar. All right. It's so sweet and tart. It's like eating a glass of lemonade. Perfect. Mike wants to be on camera. She's our one-eyed baby. Thank you for visiting Laurice's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.